Welcome to my channel, Prem Unlocked. I am Prem. This vlog is about the World Motorcycle Day 2024 happened at Palace Grounds, Bangalore, organized by Association of Biking Community India, powered by Royal Enfield and TVS Racing. As soon as one enter, you see thousands of bikes parked in the parking lot, which is a treat to the eyes. There are hundreds of bikes parked outside the lot too. There is a backdrop of the event given to take your pictures and selfies. There are different live music bands which played at the event.
Thank you. There were fun activities and skill games as well. There are good number of stalls which are related to the bikes and the accessories. This is Barrel Exhaust Systems, which is a Bangalore based company and they export globally as well. Here is the collection of vintage motorcycles of 1970s and 80s. There was a small trial track for Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 to test, organized by Maverick Motors, Royal Enfield dealers, Lal Bagh Road, Bangalore. This is the stunt show arena performed by TVS Racing Team, which was witnessed and enjoyed by the biking enthusiasts. There was a massive food court where the bikers had their lunch and rested as well. Here is a biker with an unique attire. The youngest visitor of the event. So cute. So the event went well morning till evening, attended by bikers from neighboring states as well. Thanks for stopping by and for your time. This is my very first vlog of this channel. I am going to bring in more interesting content in the future. Thank you once again. Please subscribe, share, like if you like.